A spacious apartment with this view from both bedrooms, living room and the dining room too. As you reach the home, palms and bougainvillea line the road. A majestic building faces the Caribbean Sea, and the harbor of Charlotte Amalie. A paved driveway and off-street parking next to the front door. If your arms are full, you have a covered entrance allowing your entry to be well lit, and dry should it be raining when you arrive home. The entry hallway has the stairs to the bedrooms on the right as you enter. The living room is to the left as you enter. A large open room decorated with sheer drapes with valances and a choice of comfortable seating. Couch and coffee table. Dueling ceiling fans, love seat, large flat screen TV, bureau and 2 armchairs. The sliders lead to the covered balcony. Lamps and the ceiling fans have lights as well. An open floor plan allows everyone to be comfortable. Have your friends by to watch the game. Through the left archway is the dining room, and through the right archway is the kitchen. Pretty, comfortable and substantial furnishings. The dining room, with seating for 6, also give access to the balcony where the amazing views can be enjoyed. Looking towards the approaching road. Both balconies run the length of the unit and are covered, providing indoor-outdoor living space. If you just turn around and look south, this is the view that will take your breath away. This could be your front porch. As you enter back into the apartment, this sleek, modern kitchen will capture attention. It will be a joy to prepare meals in. Add some highboy stools at the counter so your guest can participate in conversation and prep. The kitchen is equipped with a dishwasher. There is a microwave and an electric oven. A slightly different angle. A perfectly positioned night light if you want to make a midnight raid on the fridge. The main entrance to the apartment with the stairs immediately to the left.